In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Python code in Make.com. If you're not familiar with Make.com, it's a powerful platform for creating automated workflows by connecting different apps. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Make.com can significantly streamline your processes. Now, let's dive in and walk through how you can integrate Python code into your routine using this platform. First, to start, you need to head over to the Make.com website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and open your preferred web browser. Once the website loads, you'll see the Make.com homepage. Next, you'll need to sign in. Look for the Sign In button on the top right corner of the website. Click on it and enter your credentials, taking care to input the correct email and password that you registered with. This will take you to your personalized dashboard. Upon successful sign-in, navigate towards the Make Home by selecting the Home option from the dashboard menu. Once you reach the home page, you'll want to create a new scenario. Scenarios are essentially automated workflows that you can set up in Make.com. To create a new one, locate and click on the New Scenario button. This is your starting point for building out your new automated task. Afterwards, you'll see a prompt or button labeled Add. Click on this to start defining the specifics of your scenario. In the menu that appears, type HTTPS into the search bar. This will filter through the available modules to find what you'll need next. Once you see HTTP in the results, select this option. HTTP is crucial here as it enables data communication over the internet, which you'll need to use. Next, from the options provided, click on Make a Request. This step is critical as it prepares the platform to accept external requests, including Python-based tasks that you'll want to run. Make a Request allows you to configure how Make.com will interact with external systems, like where your Python codes are executed. That's it for the setup. You now have a robust foundation to run Python scripts through Make.com, allowing for dynamic data processing and further expanding your automation capabilities. Remember, as you work through this process, the interface is quite user-friendly, so feel free to explore other modules and tools that can enhance your workflow. Be sure to save your progress frequently to avoid losing any configurations. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on setting up your first Python automation scenario within Make.com. With these steps, you can now unlock a whole new level of productivity by seamlessly integrating Python with your everyday tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating!